any time and you would not notice.
One like single little facial hair growing in a different
in a different location.
meter.
Yeah. Oh, that's not to even mention like the time and position.
Yeah.
Like anything could possibly happen in different universes at
There
that time and
is
position.
so many. Like there's
anything,
more than a million of each thing.
anything
There's like an
could do
infinite
that.
of each thing happening in that second, but then the whole thing is just infinite anyway.
Yeah. Because it's
Like-
infinite, you can't like have a thing competing with infinite. It's like it's just
There could be an alternate reality where like that stick just turned into a moth
yeah.
and just flew away.
It
Like,
could have
that's
done
happened. It could have
that.
turned into any animal. It could have turned into a fucking humpback whale in a different universe.
So which one are we on?
We're on our one,
Our
but we can sense the other ones. Because our imagination is in the pineal gland, and the pineal gland captures the energy coming from all the different universes because it gets travelled. And then it goes into your mind, and that's how you imagine. When you imagine, your pineal gland connects to everything that's happened in the entire world, in all those realities.
I gotta say, this was so much better than fucking playing Fortnite on PS4.
Oh yeah.
all day. This is something. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is something nice.
It was very nice. We had a nice trip. I've been smiling the entire
I
fucking
know.
time.
Yeah. It's whatever it was in it. It was good. It
Yeah.
like it didn't. It tripped me out. It's just like scared me a bit.
Well, maybe if we hadn't smoked the weed then, like it might have kicked in later.
yeah.
But now that we've smoked the weed, it's like,
I'm looking at us. We're universes, but we still look like what we are now. Like,
yeah.
And yeah, I feel like I'm definitely still in one of them at that because I can like see behind my head and everything.
Yeah, it's like you're almost living in two different universes.
Yeah.
But then, or like you're in this one, and then the other one just constantly changes. No, what it is there's like a board, right? Like a board. So there's like a line, and like our reality is along this line, and then it's just constant. Then there's other one that's just constantly spinning, and like that's when you get deja vu. Like it just happens.
Yeah, you
at
can
the
just
same
swap
time.
between lines.
Yeah, it's like
You could swap between lives where someone on the other side of the world was alive and one they weren't.
yeah.
Like, there would
and you
literally
wouldn't
be
even know.
no difference.
We could have just
It could have been if they fucking what they ate for breakfast.
Yeah.
This
Or like
everything.
how they use their knife and
Everything.
fork.
Yes. If one day they sneezed.
Yes.
Like fuck.
It like linked their sneeze and the
I
volume
know,
of their sneeze.
Yes. How much was in his nose? Like everything.
And like, oh.
They're all
And
so
then like how
every
many hairs he
possible-
has.
possible.
And then how many like what colour of hair he has and how many he has.
Oh yes.
And like the carpet and the
Just
strands
the
of carpet.
dusts around him.
The dust could be any.
See, there's
Literally,
so many that
there's
would be the same.
infinite.
That's why it feels so weird. Like it probably happens all the time, but just because there's tiny
But we
differences.
don't know.
Yeah. And deja vu is just where we notice like a bigger one. We're
Yeah.
like, I swear.
Or if like something repeats.
We just understood time.
We just understood the universe. No, it's like there's an infinite number of universes, but they're labeled like 1, 2, blah 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 blah. No, it's like one.
I just remember Callum.
Oh, he'll be fine. He'll eventually just go, no, I can't fucking do this. So no,
Yeah,
it's
he
like,
gives in pretty easy.
oh, it's like, shit. I can see the infinity sign again. There's infinity signs everywhere. It's everything.
Yeah.
That means that everything is infinite. Like we were just saying.
Because it loops. It just goes
It
over
just
and
loops,
over.
loops and loops and just doesn't end. That's like our Earth.
No. Okay. So
That's like our reality.
our one is like just to say a square of it, and every different one it's looping, like changing. This like
Everything is just moving around us. We're
Yeah.
moving.
oh, and
In an infinite
as like
repository.
it goes down the infinite symbol. That's like our timeline.
It's
Like
almost
everything.
It's like it's like it rolls an infinity-sided dice every like millisecond, and any slight change could like.
So
Do everything.
yeah.
That's like there's so many different possibilities that we can't even begin to imagine.
I think I'm gonna vomit.
You think you're gonna vomit?
Yeah, I have a really, really weird feeling for my stomach. Put your hand on your stomach, and what the fuck? 'Cause
It's like traveling up.
Dude.
No, it's like traveling to. And I'm like enlightened. I
Dude.
understand nature.
Rub your arms.
Look at your hands. Like, just look at them. They're just moving.
You see all the different lines. It's like
Lines.
looking at optical illusion.
Yeah.
Dude, just everywhere behind me, there's like a circle following me, and it looks weird in the video. It's a camera. Oh, they didn't. This. I can see behind my head. I can see the back of my head. Oh,
When I move my foot, I can see the trees like moving with it.
yes, you change. Oh,
Shay, bruh.
yeah. It feels like time's a noodle.
Time is a noodle. It could be because
It's
a
just,
noodle doesn't have a designated length. It can
Yeah.
be any length.
It's an infinite noodle.
The world is an infinite.
and it's just
No.
so big that you can't see the curves.
No,
It's-
but then that also defeats our circle theory, our sphere theory. Oh,
maybe. Oh, fuck.
what if it's just a
No, the circle is a sphere. That's all. Everything, like,
everything?
yeah.
So in the middle of the earth, because nobody can ever get there. It's way too hot. Like they don't give us a chance. Like whether we physically touch it or our soul passes through it.
Our soul passes through the period of time
Our soul passes through the earth into the core,
into the.
where there's
okay,
another
our soul
universe.
passes
Where there's
into
another
the
universe, and then as
Earth's
soon as it
core,
hits
where there's
the
another
core,
universe,
as soon as it hits the core, we get born.
we get
We get
born.
reborn, but
We
without
get-
our memories. Only fragments of each memory, and that is what explains deja vu.
Dude, it felt like my head was going down, and in like other dimensions, our hands went and like did that on the back of my head.
I
Like,
can imagine. I'm literally feeling me itch my head, but my hands are here. My hands are here. I can. It's like
I could feel it too. I could feel like
I feel like someone's pinching. But in
You're
an
getting pinched?
in an opposite an alternate reality, we could be getting pinched, and we're just starting to feel those.
okay, you're scaring me now.
No.
Like, we're getting pinched from the people in the. Oh, they're trying to get us away from our reality.
No. Fuck.
Fuck!
No. No. No.
Calm down. Whoosh.
I'll blow myself a big bubble.
Oh.
No, the souls can't touch me.
Okay.
I'm in a bubble, and they're trying to get to me, but they can't. I feel safe.
Do you know, every emotion, every thought, every memory is just a chemical in our brain. One
Fuck.
universe literally could be one, like, there was slightly less one atom in your chemical brain. Like, that could literally be enough to be a different
like,
universe.
Yeah, and like even if
It
you
could
just,
be a piece of dirt, like, placed in the wrong spot. So that would be.
it's like in one universe you might remember like half a second that you don't remember another, like just for no reason. But then
That's just you, like, changing them on them, and it's a big jump, I guess. Because you wouldn't notice immediately. Oh, I'm stuck in a shutter. I'm stuck in a shutter. Oh my god. Okay. I got so stuck in a shutter. That was fucking terrifying. It was just you, like, doing the same thing over and over and over. That was really fun. Dude, your eyes look weird. Your eyes look like they keep going into each other. Dude, our eyes are everything.
when I look at us, oh, that is beautiful. It's like a square. Oh, it's like I'm closing my eyes, and it's like, oh. It's
I'm
like
seeing
huge.
really nice things.
Yeah, my closed eye visual is fucking mint.
Oh,
I
I
can
can see
colours.
so much.
see, like,
This is great.
this is so like, geometric. And, like,
Oh,
it's like Indian.
dude, I just realized we're fucking high.
Yeah. Wait, we are. We're like on a mix.
Yeah. No, I mean, like, we're doing the drugs and we're noticing this. Like,
Oh,
we're.
yeah. Wait, so this isn't.
Have we woken up to what it really is real?
Well, Oh, everything's got a blur now. Like everything, everywhere I look, has got a blur.
Ooh. So, everything's still like it's waves for me. I can see everything in wavelengths, like going towards my eyes.
Oh, I understand what you mean.
Yeah, like that's that because there's just
Yeah.
different fucking.
Because if the human eyes weren't this limited,
We could see more,
we could
but we
see
literally
more than
cannot
this.
imagine
Like-
ones that we can't.
We could even see just like sound,
Like
or like heat,
yeah,
or like
we just
humidity.
we haven't evolved to have an organ that can do that. Like
Like-
some people have really great eyes.
No, what about ants? Because no one can like actually see through an ant's eye. Because they'll be able to see things like fibers on the grass
Yeah.
that we could never see.
Yeah, fuck, you're right.
Or flies. Imagine what a fly would see, because it's got so many eyes.
Yeah,
It would, but it can still like land where it wants to land. Imagine like what it's like. It would see this and like more. It'd see like it would see it'd be able to see more than like as far as I can see my hands. It would see all behind me. It's like 2 6s, and then it goes into an infinity symbol.
Oh.
The world is a noodle.
Well, it's a noodle. That's our theory.
Yep. No, I reckon our sphere. Oh, then the soul thing. No, but then we said souls do leave the body when you die. Like you lose mass. Maybe in that moment, like as soon as the person
Yeah.
dies, the
Yeah.
soul leaves, and then it just floats around in like a soul place until it goes into a different one. It's just randomly chosen.
So
then
like,
it's just born.
there's not a second that you're dead for. It just
No.
instantly takes you into the next
It's instantly the next one, but you don't remember any of your past one.
life. Yeah, it just
Yeah.
it's completely like
I could have been a kid in India
And dude-
playing like soccer right now, eating fucking curry. Oh,
No, dude.
that would be the
fucking-
best life.
Think about it for animals and insects and everything. It would be like that, but for even just single atoms, they could be different.
Dude. This was very nice.
Yes, this was very, very nice. Yeah, I just grounded myself saying that. I'm back a bit. But
My skin
everything
feels like it's electrified.
does. What if there could be literally a little alien civilization in one dimension where they're just... And there is.
There
Like,
is.
There's people, like, on our fucking skin. Like, they live on us.
There is.
Like, there is. There's literally everything. There's universes where we could have chicken legs for some reason.
Yes, there's a universe where we can have like spoons as our fucking legs.
Yes,
and
we can
There could be
literally-
wooden spoons, there could be metal spoons,
It
there
could
could be
be-
gold spoons, there could be silver spoons, there could be bronze spoons.
Or
It could be
it could be anything,
anything.
and it's all a spiral going into time.
Just a constant, because the
It's-
spiral has no end.
Yeah,
It's just constantly
it's
spiraling
just
and
constantly
spiraling.
stuff's happening. That's what's going on.
Oh no, we're placed in the spiral, and as we fall, every tiny little bit of the spiral is a different reality we could have
Dude,
experienced.
I feel like I'm in it, and every like different shape I look at, I feel like I'm looking at us in different realities. Like I'm literally looking at us from behind or in another spot. Like, oh, I can see weird shit. Okay, I can see.
Can you
weird.
like see as if you were standing over there?
I could see everywhere around me. I could see them. I could see it from above.
You could see fucking everywhere.
I could see everywhere from above.
What the fuck? Oh shit, I can do that. This is the fucking best.
I could see the earth. It's all a spiral going into. It's going into a circle, but when you get close, it's just a spiral going on forever.
Dude, I can't even, like, after I have my closed eye visuals, I can't even, like even remember them in my mind.
I know they're just instantly gone.
Oh,
like
they're
fuck,
instantly
that was
gone.
just such a beautiful one right there.
Oh,
Oh my god. Oh, it's like
so like triangles. I'm getting like really lots of like, as like really aesthetic like colors.
I'm getting like weird shit, like where a language was like all the letters A and stuff were slightly bent. It was just a rule. That's literally a different universe.
It is.
Yeah.
Oh.
It could be for everything.
Do you know how many different universes there would be
It's
where
infinite.
Fortnite doesn't exist?
Oh, fuck.
Or where double pump shotguns work? There's infinite.
It could
There
be
is
fuck-
infinite.
There could be one universe where you did a 9 damage shot and you could have done 96 or something.
Yeah.
And it's just in another timeline.
But it's just complete, like...
I think we
every
just
movement.
explained it for the people who aren't high if they watch this.
Maybe. I hope so.
Yeah.
How long has this
You-
been going for?
50
55!
minutes. See, there's no concept of time. Like
I might check to see if I have any texts on actually what the time is.
Yeah.
Oh, this is fucking fun.
This was good time.
Oh, my face is so like fuzzy.
You look
It's
like a
so
bull.
soft.
What the fuck? I could see you look like I just saw what you could look like in every different universe through the phone,
Whoa.
and you could have like different phones in every universe.
Whoa, this is
You could
actually...
have had a different thought in a different universe, and that could have been a thing.
The fucking sky just turned blue.
Oh,
It was like white, now it's just gone blue.
Being sucked away by a massive tornado. Hello.